What's in the box?
Multimatch 2.
Are you excited about the Multimatch 2?
Yeah.
The Multimatch 2 has finally arrived. The kids are excited, I'm excited. Let's take it out of the box. The first thing you're greeted by is this power cord.
The battery over there.
So as Max said, there's a battery in the box. You can plug this into the wall. Let's take the actual light out. And I'll tell you, when you first grab it, it feels very hefty. It feels sturdy. This feels extremely well made, and for the price, yeah, it better be. Max says it's cool. You can see the Scangrip light. It feels very heavy in my hand, which I think is awesome. This says dual 2-in-1 system. Quick first impressions. It feels extremely sturdy, and it's got this sort of lever on the back, so it has a flat profile, and then yeah, it has a button, doesn't it, Max? And you can set it on the ground like that, so that's very cool. I want to show you how you actually charge this cord. It's pretty slick. I don't know if you can see it here, but what you do is you essentially just twist it in, and it goes in like that. So you twist it in, and then you just sort of like twist it out. I've never seen anything like this. Boom, on, off. Right now, I've got the Scangrip light. It looks super awesome, and I cannot wait to use this for auto detailing.